No. Go back to video. Go back to video.
All right, aluminum ring.
I think it's too tall.
Could be.
Yeah.
What up? I think it's supposed to be flat, but this is still pretty crazy.
Yeah. I think what I'm gonna do is put one in there that's a little bit shorter.
Essentially, it looks like it's welding it.
Yeah.
Of course, now I'm catching on video how your phone gets better video. Whoa! This is still pretty impressive.
Really makes it easy to see when it arcs. It brightens things up quite a bit.
Yeah. Wow. This would be a good way to record some really cheap sci-fi sound effects.
Alright, let's do this. I'm going to make a shorter one.